All right, we're just now a couple of minutes away from the closing bell, so let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre to break down the market action post-glitch.
Post-glitch, hopefully everything works out in the close, guys. We'll talk about that in a second, but the Dow up about 0.33%, Nasdaq down 0.25%, S&P 500 right in the middle, just down slightly, Russell 2000 off about 14 basis points. Not a whole lot of action today in the indices, but we got some stuff going on underneath the surface. So we got split here. We got industrials, utilities, real estate, staples, financials, materials, all of those outperforming most of the cyclical sectors up there, or some of the cyclical sectors, but also some of the defensive ones. So pretty interesting. Real estate, staples, utilities, those are the defensive ones. To the downside, healthcare, communication services, and energy. Those are the biggest losers. And just checking on our leaders here, we have ITA. I haven't seen transports lead in a while. That's up 1.5%. Bets, that's the gambling ETF. That's getting some love here. But for the most part, you're going to see more losers than winners here. ARK Invest, that's down 1.5%. And let's just take a look at ARK here. Just about everything in the red. Not a whole lot of dark red today, so I am paying attention to where we're seeing the Shopify, Coinbase, Roku, actually PagerDuty. Those are some of the names and a lot of those software names that are down today. Want to focus on Tesla here because we got earnings after the bell tomorrow. Today is Microsoft, tomorrow's Tesla, and we're going to be keeping that, watching that here for you and breaking that news. Tesla's up 16% year to date, but let's take a look over the last 2 years so we can see what's going on here. Now, we all know this. The top here was October of a couple years ago, and we are down considerably, sold off about 60% from those highs, still down about 50%, even though we are off considerably from those lows. Now, tomorrow, the options market is implying a move of about 10.7%. So you take the current price right here, 143, multiply it by 10%, so that's about $14. You add that to that, subtract it. You got a nice collar for what traders are expecting the move to be. So keep that in mind as we head into the bell and after the bell tomorrow. But in the meantime, let me just round out the conversation here with a look at some of our leaders and laggards in the Nasdaq 100. Apple in the upper left, that's up 1%. Alphabet down 2%. I mentioned communication services as one of the sectors getting a little bit of a hit today. Pinduoduo up 1%. Netflix up 2%. Really not seeing a whole lot of rhyme or reasons to a lot of these names here. Let me just circle back one more time on some of these stocks that were affected by that opening glitch. If you got a trade that was either too good to be true or too bad to be true this morning, probably going to be canceled. So anybody who sees something puzzling on their brokerage statements over the next few days or doesn't think they got the cancellation they deserve, well, take it up with your broker here.